Jonathan here with Darrow Kia Madison, and it's hard to tell because it's so quiet, but I'm actually driving a 2021 Kia K5, and the one I'm in right now is the EX Premium, which is the cool one and the one to get. This has all the options. Now, I wanted to talk a little bit about what this car is capable of doing, specifically its driver assistance features that are there to help out when you're driving along on the highway. So right now, I'm definitely going to keep my eyes on the road, but my hands are not on the wheel and my foot is not on the gas. You have adaptive cruise control with full stop and go. So this car is capable of not only maintaining a certain distance behind the cars in front of it, but also coming to a complete stop and starting to go again. Now, that in concert with the advanced lane keeping assist system you have really take pretty much all the stress out of driving a car. So on the highway, it doesn't just bounce itself back and forth between some of the lane lines, it keeps itself dead centered. Really impressive what it's able to do. And you've also got high beam assist, so high beams will turn themselves on and off. Blind spot monitors to help save you some neck muscles when you're changing lanes. It really has it all. So if you want to experience how nice this is driving this car and letting it help out with some of the work, call or stop by today. Again, Jonathan at Darrow Kia Madison.